Good morning, my dear students. I am today telling about polygon law of vectors. You have already studied about adding of vectors, how you can add two vectors and how you can add two or more vectors. What about that? You know, one vector along this side, another along this side you can add simply. One along this side, one along this side, opposite means you can subtract. You will subtract. And I am now talking about if you have number of vector more than two vectors. Simply when I am talking about vector, if you for your convenience, it is easy to understand to take lecture in your brain. I am using here force. Suppose a body is here, one force is applying this side, another along this side, another along this side, another along this side. Then what will be the result? This is one question. You can select two vectors and you can make. You have already studied about polygon law, parallelogram law and triangle law vector addition. Suppose this is one vector, this is another vector, they resulted along this side. You will remove these two, इन दोनों को छोड़ दें, आपका रिजल्ट आ गया. एक वेक्टर इधर है, एक वेक्टर इधर है, इन दोनों को पकड़ लें, इनका रिजल्ट ये आ गया. ये दो छूट गए, तो चार से इन दो से एक रिजल्ट बना, इन दो से एक रिजल्ट बना. तो अब ये दो वेक्टर ही रह गए. इनका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? पैरेललोग्राम यहाँ से इसके पैरेलल ये साइड और इसके पैरेलल ये साइड. दिस विल बी द रिजल्टेंट. मींस by selecting two vectors and applying parallelogram law, you can, this is one of the way, by pairing and making their result, use triangle or parallelogram law, you can solve this. Another way, this is polygon law of vectors. How I am here talking about that, the polygon law of vector. Polygon suppose this is the point, one vector, one force along this side. This is a vector A, this is a vector B, this is a vector C, this is a vector D, and this is a vector E. Suppose angle between A and B, you can say angle 1, B and C, this angle is 2, C and D angle 3, D and E angle 4. इस ऑब्जेक्ट पे ये फोर्सेस एक्ट हो रहे हैं. व्हाट विल बी रिजल्टेंट? नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट. ऑल वेक्टर्स आर फ्री, तो मैं इसको लूंगा यहाँ पे, अब यहाँ ले लें. This is vector A. This is vector A direction, and B direction angle is 1, and you can make here angle 1, and this one, this vector B, length equal to this. This is vector B. Now vector C, angle 2, this is direction of B, and this is direction of 1. C. Length equal to this. This will be vector C. This angle is angle 2. Now this is D. This is direction of C, and this is direction of D. Angle between C and D, this angle is angle 3. Length equal to this. This is vector D, and this angle, this vector, E. This is the direction of D, and this is direction of E vector, and this angle is 4. You have different side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side is open. This basically is what? Polygon. This is polygon. बहुभुजाई, इसकी कई साइड हैं, तो आप ये वेक्टर, ये वेक्टर, ये वेक्टर, ये वेक्टर, वेक्टर, और इसकी ये ओपन साइड होगी. दिस विल बी रिजल्टेंट R. What is polygon law? If number of vectors acting at a point in such a way, we can represent these vectors with the sides of a polygon taken in order. एक ही order है. This is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Then the resultant is given by the open side of the polygon taken in opposite order. This is anti-clock and this is clock, opposite side. This is R. How you can prove? Suppose this point is A, this point is P, this point is Q, this point is say S, this point you can say T, this point you can say U, O, P, Q, S, T, U. And for the proof, what I am doing, आप इस O और Q को कनेक्ट कर लें, एक वेक्टर चूज कर लें. आप O और S को भी चूज करके एक वेक्टर बना लें, और आप इससे भी आप एक वेक्टर बना लें, like this. Now you have, suppose this vector is say A, X, sorry, this vector is say Y, and this vector say Z. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, this is triangle 3, this is triangle 4. आप triangle 1 में आ जाएं. Apply triangle law of vector addition. Apply triangle law of vector addition. इसमें तो आपके ये एक ही ऑर्डर में है, ये अपोजिट ऑर्डर में है, तो ट्रायंगल आ कहता है दो वेक्टर एक साइड, ये अपोजिट, तो वेक्टर x इक्वल टू वेक्टर a प्लस वेक्टर b. दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. दिस प्लस दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. ट्रायंगल सेकंड, अप्लाई ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन. a वेक्टर c वेक्टर इक्वल टू, क्योंकि a और c एक ही डायरेक्शन में है और y अपोजिट हो गया, तो y वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू